Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Sixpad S80 Vacuum Cleaner. So as you can see, we have it here on their website. It costs £170, and this is the newest one that they have. They claim they to give refunds and returns. So the product itself is a S80 cordless vacuum cleaner, intelligent cleaning power at your fingertips. So as you can see, it is very lightweight. It looks lightweight, and it's very thin, very minimalist. So the key feature is that it has extreme suction power of 38,000 PA, which is very, very strong. Advanced HEPA filtration system, 7 large capacity batteries in each battery unit, smart dust sensor in auto smart mode, and 3 adjustable modes. So if you're wondering if this is legit or if it's worth it, let's go over here to the Trustpilot and see the company itself is rated 90. Reviews and 4.4 out of 5 stars. So let's see all the reviews here. So inspirational customer service, and delighted with the 6-pack cleaner, 6-pack convert. I'm really impressed by it. Unbelievably good value for money. Reborn housekeeper, and a lot more. So there are also one-star reviews here. Maybe they got the defective product. However, majority of them are good. So if you wanna try this vacuum out, maybe you should, since they seem pretty legit. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.